Hello guys. Let's pack some jersey orders we received over the last months. For all those who don't know, I have an online store where I deal in football jerseys, cricket jerseys, other sports apparels. If you are watching this, kindly consider this as a sign for you to purchase new sports apparels. But for now, enjoy this time lapse. Let us know in the comments which is your favorite jersey this season.
Customer, my bro is massive PSG fan. You should go for PSG away. Great order file waiting for it.
Customer, I want customized cup for my sis. It's her birthday. Us, wow, romantic face, sure send in your pictures. Customer, done. Please take care of packaging. Thank you. Us, sure it will be securely packaged. Making it special by adding Kisses chocolate. Hope she likes it. Customer, I have a match tomorrow. Us, that's great. This jersey will be lucky for you. All the best.